Good evening, I'm Tina. This should be the last video related to expression language, okay? It's called non-friendly, or you can say fails silently. Actually, I mentioned this feature before, but I want to have another video just to talk about this behavior inside the expression language. So if expression language cannot find a value for the attribute, it just ignores it. No warning, no arrow sign, no exception being thrown. And also, in arithmetic expression, it will treat none as 0. And in logical operator or logical expression, you will treat none as false. So because of this behavior, for the end user, it might be helpful because if we use scribblet or JSP expression, we might see exception, which is a very ugly exception message as the end user, and mostly the end user doesn't know, probably know a lot about computer science, so they will feel very weird to see those exception message. And in EL expression, it's just no warning, no error, just no message at all. So probably end user still see the page, just no value there, okay? But it's not so good for the developers because you don't know what's going on and it just fails silently. And so it's will be be hard for the developers to debug what actually happened. So we have to be aware of that, test and treat it seriously, test and check carefully when we're using expression language, okay? And I will give you a small demo, okay? So we continue using this one. I did something really bad. Okay, this one I will use no friendly. Okay, I don't have a good name. Sorry for that. That's my problem all the time. Okay, and here I will add a link here. And to EL non-friendly. Very good, very good, very good. Now I'll here, suppose the first one is show you fails silently, okay? Which is here, suppose I want to get an employee or ABC, okay? Nothing will happen because we know when we click this link, there's no ABC, right? There's no go from here, we click, we'll go to non-friendly this page, there's no ABC. And if in Java, you can also continue like the emp.first name. Okay, there's no employee, it's a none, and we are trying to call a method get first name from none. And in scribblet, you have the exception, which is non-point exception, but here nothing will happen. So now let me show you. Hey, where's my another page? Oh, here, this here. Deployed successfully. Now let's go here, and we will go to the home page and not friendly. Click this one. See here, no exception, just a fail, okay? No error message. And now let's do another one, which is second treat. This one, treat none as 0, okay? Control C, P, treat 0 as 0. So now we will give you example, which is 100, 100 promotion, let's do an easy one. 100 plus EMP dot salary. Okay, this part is a none, right? Let's see the value. Okay, deploy successfully. Go to our JSP, refresh. It's still 100. And if we're using multiply, you will see 0 now. Okay, this is not a good. Okay, because this is 0. I don't know why. If it's none, I don't have multiply, right? Probably doesn't match your requirement. Okay, but it will show you 0. Okay, we'll treat this one none as a 0. And last one is this one. In logical expression, you will treat it as a false. Control C. Next one. P. Okay. This one. Okay. Treat as false. We can do is true and EMP dot salary. Okay. So it will treat this none as false, so entire gonna be false, right? Let's try here. Okay, good. Now let's go back to our browser, refresh current page. You will see false. Okay, and this one is 0. So that's the EL is non-friendly, and the behaviors. We covered all the behaviors showing in the slides. So when you actually using EL expression, make sure you are be careful. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed all the expression language, all the videos. And if you have some suggestion, please leave me a message. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.